Good morning, students. Welcome to you all to our class 8 English class. You all have first received the English books. Yesterday, we had learned the English book of your class New Approach to English Grammar Chapter 1, and today we are going to discuss or learn the next English book, another English book, Stories Past and Present of Class 8. The first chapter of Class 8, Stories Past and Present. The first chapter is there. Now I am going to show you one picture. Let's see the picture. Let's see the picture and answer the questions that I am going to ask you. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Obviously, you see one horse in the picture, and who are there in the picture? Two men are there in the picture. They are riding the horse. And my next question is, where is the horse? What can be the place? The place is that the horse is near a town. The horse is proceeding toward the gate of a town. So this is about the picture. Now I am going to read SGP 1. Listen attentively, and then we will proceed further. One day a young man was going to a town on his horse. Near the town gate, he saw a beggar. Sir, the beggar cried out. Sir, the beggar cried out, please take me to the market on your horse, because I am a lamb. Because I am a lamb. The kind young man agreed. He put the beggar on the horse, then he rode to the town. The kind young man agreed. You see, in the picture that I showed you, there are two men riding on the horse. So one was the young man and the other was the lame man. The young man became kind and allowed the lame man to ride on his horse. They reached the market. Then the young man said, "You can get up here." "But I do not want to get up. You get up my horse. I want to go on," said the beggar. "See," the beggar said, "I don't want to get up. You please get up. Because this is my horse, not your horse. Your horse? This is my horse. Your horse." In this way, some discussions was made between the young man and the beggar. "Yes, it is mine, get up, or else I will take you to the king's officer." "Alright, let's go to him." In this way, discussion was made. So, I have already read SGP 1. Now I am going to tell you Oriya so that you will understand better. दिने जड़े युवक तांको घोड़ा चढ़ी सहर को जाउथिले. सहर सम्मुख गेट पाखरे जेतेबेले से सहर को प्रवेश करिवे से पाखरे जड़े भिकारी को देखिले. भिकारी टी कहला, "सार मो जड़े छोटा लोक, मते आपण दया करी आपण घोड़ा रे बसैक सहर को टिके नै जानतु." युवक जनक दया परवश होई ताको घोड़ा रे बसैक सहर को नेले, मार्केट को नेले. जेतेबेले मार्केट पहुँचिले, बजार पाखरे पहुँचिले, युवक जनक कहले जे बजार आसीगला भाई, तुम घोड़ा रो ओह्लाई जाओ। But I do not want to get up. But say layman छोटा जन को beggar जन को कहले मु आ घोड़ा रो ले भी नहीं एटा मो घोड़ा तमे निजे ओल्लाई जा. So एबडी भाबरे जेतेबेले कोहा कहले दि जन को मध्य किछि बचसा हला एवं समाने जे डिसीजन तले विचार कले जे राजांकर जो ऑफिसर अछंती तांको पाखु समाने जिवे टू डिसाइड द मैटर. I have already told you in Oriya. Perhaps you all have understood it better. Now read this paragraph silently and try to answer the comparison questions. So now I am going to ask you my first question. Who was going to the town? Who was going to the town? Let's understand it better. Understand it better because for your better understanding you must listen it attentively. Who was going to the town? Answer is that a young man was going to the town. How did he see? Who did he see at the town of the gate? Who did he see at the town gate? The young man saw a lame man or a beggar at the town gate. What did the beggar ask for? 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 भिखारी कौन कहला? The beggar requested the young man to take him to the town because he was a lame man. What did the young man do? Why and why? What did the young man do and why? What did the young man do and why? The young man took the beggar to the town by horse because that beggar was a lame man. What did he ask the beggar to do at the market? He asked the beggar to get up from his horse at the gate of the market. Then what did the beggar say? The beggar said, "No, I will not get up. You get up from the horse because it is my horse." Whom did they go to settle this quarrel? So obviously you see, there arose one quarrel between the young man and the beggar. So whom did they go to settle their quarrel? Whom did they go? See one very interesting question. Whom did they go? Whom did they go to settle the quarrel? To settle their quarrel. To settle their quarrel. ସେମାନେ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଗଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଗୋଳମାଳ ହେଲା ସେଟା ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ. So the answer is that they went to the king's officer to settle their quarrel. So we have already completed HGP1. Let's proceed to HGP2. So I am going to tell you that there is comprehension question for HGP1. I have already discussed it. So my instruction is that you must do comprehension work, comprehension questions, the answer of comprehension questions in your home with the help of your parents, and I have already taught you so that you will understand it better. Now we will proceed to HGP2. Now I am again going to read HGP2. So they went to the king's officer. The young man said to him, "Sir, I was riding to the town on my horse. This man wanted to come to the town market. He is lame. So I got him to the market on my horse. Now he says that the horse is his. Sir, please help me to get my horse from him. The beggar said, he is a thief and a liar, sir. This is my horse. I am a lame man. I cannot walk well, so I bought this horse. The king's officer looked at them. Who was the thief? Whose horse was it? He did not. So this is about SGP2. I have already read it. Now I am going to tell it in Oriya so that you will understand better. ତେଣୁ ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଗଲେ ଯେଉଁ ରାଜାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଅଫିସର ଅଛନ୍ତି ଉଚ୍ଚପଦସ୍ଥ କର୍ମଚାରୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯାହା ପାଖରେ କେସ୍ଟି ଡିସିଜନ ହେବ ସେଟଲ ହେବ ସେ ପାଖକୁ ଗଲେ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଯାକ ଗଲେ ଘୋଡ଼ା ସହିତ ଦି ୟଙ୍ଗ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ସେଡ୍ ଟୁ ହିମ୍ ଯୁବକ ଜଣକ ରାଜାଙ୍କ ଅଫିସରକୁ କହିଲେ ଯେ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସହରକୁ ଏ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ବାହାରୁଥିଲି ଆସୁଥିଲି ଆସିବା ବାଟରେ ସହର ମୁଖରେ ବା ସହରର ପ୍ରବେଶ ଦ୍ୱାର ପାଖରେ ଏହି ଲୋକଟି ବସିଥିଲା ଏବଂ ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ମାର୍କେଟକୁ ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ ବଜାରକୁ ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା ସେ ଜଣେ ଲେମ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଛୋଟା ଲୋକ ତେଣୁକରି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ମୋ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ବସେଇକିରି ଆଣିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଠି ଓହ୍ଲେଇଲା ବେଳେ ମାର୍କେଟରେ ସେ କହୁଛି ଏଇଟା ମୋ ଘୋଡ଼ା ତୁ ଓହ୍ଲେଇ ଯା ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଓହ୍ଲେଇ ଯା ବୋଲି କହୁଛି ସେତେବେଳେ ବେଗର କହିଲା ଭିକାରୀ କହିଲା ଯେ ଇଏ ଜଣେ ଚୋର ଇଓର ନା ପ୍ରଭୁ ଇଏ ଜଣେ ଚୋର ମହାଶୟ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଜଣେ ଚୋର ଏବଂ ଗୋଟେ ବିଛୁଆ এইটা হচ্ছে ମୋ ଘୋଡ଼ା କାରଣ ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଛୋଟା ଲୋକ ବୋଲି ଘୋଡ଼ାକୁ ମୁଁ ଯିବା ଆସିବା କରିବା ପାଇଁ କିଣିଛି ତେଣୁକରି ଏ ଘୋଡ଼ାଟି ମୋର ତେଣୁ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ ରାଜାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଅଫିସର ଥିଲେ ସେ ଡିସିଜନ କରିପାରିଲେ ନାହିଁ ବିଚାର କରିପାରିଲେ ନାହିଁ ଯେ ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଏ ଘୋଡ଼ାଟି କାହାର এইটা ହେଲା SGP2 so I have already read you SGP2 I have already discussed you in Oriya also for your better understanding now you read it silently and I am going to ask you some questions for SGP2 some comprehension questions and you will have to answer it so where did the beggar and the young man go? Where did the young man and the beggar? Where did the young man and the beggar go? So answer is that the young man and the beggar went to the king's officer. The young man and the beggar went to the king's officer. Who listened to their complaint? Who listened to their complaint? What do you mean by complaint? Suppose your friend, suppose you are in the classroom, one of your friend bite, then you will make complaint to the teacher that sir, this fellow biting, this is complaint, অভিযোগ জনক বিপক্ষরে কিছু কহিবা কিছু অভিযোগ করিবা সেটা অভিযোগ who listen to their complaint যেতବେଳେ দুই জଣ এক কমপ্লেন কলে young man কহিলা this is my horse and the lame man said this is my horse then who listen to their complaint the king's officer listen to their complaint answer is that the king's officer listen to their complaint. Listen to their complaint. The king's officer listened to their complaint. What did the beggar say? What did the beggar say? The beggar said that, sir, this is my horse. Could the officer decide their case? No, the officer could not decide their case. The officer could not decide their case. Why? The officer could not decide their case because the young man claimed that horse is his, and the lame man claimed that horse is his. So it was quite difficult on the part of the officer to decide the case. So we will stop it today. Then we will read SGP 3 tomorrow. So my instruction is that in SGP 1 and SGP 2 some comprehension questions are there. I have already discussed it, and this is what I am going you instruction that you will do the comprehension work, comprehension questions and answers in your notebook at home, which will help you to understand better. Thank you all.